back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing the Mystery Wheel Slime Challenge with Super Crazy Corey Yoder. Go subscribe to his channel and also go subscribe to Jaden Plays Games 15. We have two bowls. And we have this wheel where we spin it, and then whatever we land on, that's what we put in our bowl. And in the end, whoever slime looks the coolest, then they win. You guys have to comment down below whose slime wins. The ingredients we have is blue and red paint, food coloring, glue, a big bottle, glitter, blue glitter, 2 cans of shaving cream, ketchup, which is the one that we do not want to get for our slime, borax, and water. So let's get started with the challenge. Okay, Corey, I'll let you go first because you're the guest. Ow, whoops. Ow. Food coloring. Food coloring.
Do I get to pick which one it is?
Yes, open it.
Pick.
Okay.
Actually, I want to pick green because a lot of slime is green.
Okay. You have to open it.
There we go.
1, 2. That's good. Okay. Now my turn. Water. I'm pretty sure this is the first ingredient anyways. So we're going to put 1 cup of water. And then, that looks like a lot. Now your turn. Your turn.
That kind of hurts.
Borax.
I think I have a second.
Just pour some. It's already open. Oh. Pour the borax in there, Corey. Whoops. Too much. That's not too much. Okay. Now it is my turn.
Oh, I already got a lot in this.
Okay, ketchup. No, I did not want this one. This is the one I did not want to get. So I guess I got
Ketchup.
Okay, that's enough ketchup. Your turn, Corey. Glitter, haha.
How's it bad? Very cute. No, bad.
Just dump some in there. Dump a bunch.
Mine's gonna be colorful.
Okay. No, I can't get it.
You got glitter on you.
Okay. Glue, yes.
No.
That's the actual ingredient.
Yeah, like ketchup will mess it up probably.
Ugh, can't open it.
Don't.
Oh, I want some good.
Shut up.
Okay, fine, I got it.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay, so
Save
that's
some
enough.
for me. If I get it.
Okay, that's good. Go. Spin it. Why are you spinning it?
No.
Go. Spin.
Okay.
He has more borax.
Oh, cover up all.
He already has enough of that. I think my stuff. Okay, do you think that's enough borax, Corey?
Yeah, I got it on me.
Okay, I hope I get shaving cream for this time.
Shaving cream.
Wait, borax. So I got borax.
You can add all the good ingredients instead of like one.
Right. That's good. Okay, good. Okay.
Oops. Keeps hitting me.
Yes.
Okay.
Borax. Third time already. He has more borax. He hasn't even got water. He really needs water. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. Now it's my turn.
Well, I got a whole mountain of
Glue again.
I got a whole mountain of borax.
The glue. a little glue in. That's good. I already have enough glue in
Now
there.
you got a mountain of glue.
Okay,
That really is be good.
hope you get that one spin again.
Hey, it keeps hitting me.
Glitter! You can't get anything good.
That's some
Glitter.
I really want. I
Put
wish.
a little bit in there. Because you need to save some for me. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's good.
All I got is glitter and.
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
Oh, wait. That wasn't like a full spin. I hit it. Ugh. Ketchup again. You guys want the ketchup?
No,
I will. Oh, that's good. That's good. So far, all I've got is water, ketchup, and glue, and borax. Shaving cream.
That's actually the good ingredient.
Yeah. There you go. So now it's my turn. Shave a lot in there. You can spray the whole can.
What if I get it again?
Then that's good. Hopefully, I get shaving cream. I really want shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
No, glue again the third time. That's good. Now it's Corey's turn. Corey's gonna win. I can already feel it. Corey's gonna have some nice fluffy slime. Ketchup, ha. You have to put in some ketchup.
It looks like it's gonna be like ice cream. The cherry.
Okay. So let's
Let's
go.
do cherry.
Spin. Shaving cream, yes. Yes, yes.
Don't spray too much. You can spread it almost halfway
I'm gonna
full.
spray it.
'Cause that's how what
I'm gonna spray mine myself.
It's gonna look terrible. Oh, looks like
Is that enough?
Yeah, that looks good.
That's good. I probably shouldn't spin so much.
It keeps getting caught on that.
Shaving cream.
How is it bad?
Yo, a ton already. I feel like our slimes is just gonna be shaving cream. Okay. My
I haven't
spin.
even got glue.
Water. I have to go put some more water in there.
Don't spin it well. I want to spin it while you wait. No, more ketchup.
That's good.
I was spinning it while you wait. And I got ketchup.
Let's put the water in there. Let's see how it looks on the shaving cream. Oh, I think it made my slime better because it makes it more gooey.
And also, I don't like ketchup again. Actually, ketchup might make it gooey too.
Ooh, hopefully I get food coloring or paint. Okay. Spin glitter. Yes, I wanted this one. Where'd the glitter go?
Can I put
just
glitter in?
No, put it up. Okay, let's put some in there.
Glitter!
Ooh, I think that's a little too much.
I got some glitter. I need some glitter too. I think that's enough. Oh, so I actually got glitter too. And the ketchup.
It's gonna be glitter all over this table in the end. Okay, my turn.
I'll hang
I
it.
spin borax. I think I needed some more. That's good.
I think
The slime
mine.
is gonna fill the whole bowl, I bet.
Okay.
Water.
Yeah, water.
Go fill it.
Yeah, what?
I'll go fill it up.
Water.
See what we want.
It'll wash up all the bad stuff.
That's enough water. 1 cup. There we go. 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 It's gonna wash away all his glitter. I think Corey might win this time.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully
This
I'm hoping with my turn. Paint. Okay, good. I want red paint. I get to put. I'm gonna put both of all. I'm gonna put each can both.
Yeah, but what if I get paint?
I actually spin.
Water.
Water. Red. Woo.
What do I fill it up to?
1.
Like
1 cup. All the paint.
Like
Okay, now I'm gonna put the blue one in there. All the blue. Whoa. I feel like my son's gonna win. Comment down below me. That was our last spin. So now it's time to mix it all up.
Water.
Okay, let's start mixing. Can I mix it up?
Oh, yucky.
That's gross.
Oh, mine actually.
Ew, you can feel the ketchup and borax.
Ew.
It feels like just
Ew. I actually found the borax.
Oh,
It's like all stuck together.
Ew.
Ew, I found a chunk of borax.
I think I need more glue.
I didn't get any glue.
Ew. I feel the glitter. I feel it, and it's gross when I feel the glitter. Ew.
This is gross.
That is gross. It is gross.
I think
Mine needed a lot more paint glue.
I think yours.
Mine is like a gross purplish red color.
Mine's like just
Look.
white.
My hands are gross.
You
I
can't
really
even see
need
the
I think
glitter
I need to wash
anymore.
my hands.
Okay, guys, so thank you guys for watching this video.
Who won?
Make sure to comment down below who you think is the coolest. Whoops, I just got some on the table.
Honestly, I think you
Comment down
won.
below who won. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up.